So you just turned on your computer only to be met with a blue screen. We see this a lot at our computer repair shop here in Stony Plain. So there are some advanced options that you can go to over here. You know, you can just continue in some cases. You can go over your troubleshoot or use the device. However, we already know that this system has had this issue before with the recovery screen. And the problem is that it will say it's diagnosing the problem, repairing it, and then it will just loop to this screen over and over and over. And we tried restoring it to just a regular restore point last time, and it was successful. However, the problem is not solved if it keeps happening or happens in a short amount of time once again. So in this case here, we're going to boot into our EaseUS partition master here, and we're just going to check the disk health just to make sure that there's nothing going on with the hard drive, because their data is the most important thing overall here. Okay. Just going to restart it here, and then hopefully from there we'll be able to easily check and see what's going on.